Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm feeling a lot better than what I was a few days ago. My daughter got sick during my birthday, and so therefore I got sick. I mean, I still had a comfortable birthday the way that I wanted, nice and relaxed, nothing stressful. I still kind of sort of had that, you know. She did get sick during that time, but we're all better. We're all getting better. So anyhow, as you guys can tell by the title, and I did mention this the last two videos, I am doing a 3-part video of the purchases that I did from Bomb Nails Acrylics, her 2024 acrylics. I believe I've already done the entire cover color collection, and I also did the solid colors for her 2024 Valentine's Day collection. I know that she has a different, I think a glitter collection as well for Valentine's Day, but I have so many glitters that I think I rather prefer at this time to, you know, purchase things that aren't the same, hopefully, in my inventory. So I did not purchase the glitter collection, but I did purchase 2, hence part 3 of her 2023. And these are, one is glitter and one has like a shimmer, very fine glitter in it. And so in today's video, I'm going to be swatching these 2 of her 2023, or part of her 2023 Valentine's Day collection that I added to the ones I did already have in my inventory. So one is Sweetheart, the other one is One and Only. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these today. Guys, I have maybe 1 or 2 designs left that I want to do for Valentine's. Valentine's is just right around the corner. In fact, is next week. And I'm hoping that I can put them out before Valentine's. So in case you guys are looking for some inspiration, nail inspirations, you can maybe consider these recreations that I have done. They're not, the majority of the things that I do are recreations. If they're something created by me, then, you know, obviously I do that freestyle, but I will let you know when it is a recreation. And today's is definitely a recreation. Now, what's gonna be hard is deciding which one to do, but we'll go, I guess, based on the swatches. And if I have 2 looks, then I'll use one today and one in the next video, and then incorporate other acrylics. So we'll see. I haven't done a Shop My Stash yet, as you guys can tell, for the month of February, because we're doing Valentine's theme, but it will be coming up. And I do also have, and I've mentioned this before, and I apologize that I haven't done it yet, I do have another giveaway because I have quite a few duplicate products in my inventory, and I rather, by the time I get through the original ones, the duplicate ones could have already been used by someone else. So I will be doing a giveaway on that. And then I'm also thinking about doing, I just don't know if I have enough items, but incorporating an empties video. I've so far emptied the STG monomer, and I've emptied an acetone, a large acetone, the ones I always purchase from Amazon. And I'm about to go through 2 clears, if I'm not mistaken, 2 clear acrylics, so I might add those to the bag. I'm thinking of incorporating those types of videos as well, because my goal the last year or so, I've been trying to really touch what I've already invested on. I don't have clientele. Very rare do I get to do people's nails aside from my own. So I'd hate for the products to sit there and not get used. So if it's a duplicate, I'm giving it away. I'm gonna try my best to do empties and use what I have, so that way I can have those empties to show you guys and let you know that it is possible to go through your inventory if you really focus. I think what my goal is, and I've been trying to keep, is not to purchase items that I think I already have in my inventory, because then it doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna try my best not to do that. As I try and do more Shop My Stash, then I'm comparing products, then if I see that one product is similar to another product, even though it's not the same brand, I may give one or the other away. That all depends. But if I love, like, I love bomb nails. She's left a big impression on me, just like Zulay did in the beginning. And I am just like, I love bomb nails. Zulay will always be a product that I love. I don't think I'll ever give that up because I think she's an amazing person. But Gabby's getting up there. She's getting up there. She's brought out amazing products, and I'm just highly impressed, and I wish her the best. But anyway, and so I'm trying to do those things, shop my stash, empties videos, and things like that. Let me know down in the comments if these types of ideas interest you, so that way I'm not wasting my time. But I really would like to at least do one empties video so you guys can see, like I said, it is possible to go through your products if you're really focused, and just, even if you're just trying to get something out of your head, or if you're like me and doing nails, even if it's on yourself or a practice hand or a simple manicure on your kids or husband, is an outlet for you, do it. Use the money, use the items that you spent your hard-earned money on. So comment down below and let me know if that's where you're at, if you're at the same place as I am, in the same boat, traveling on the same boat, trying to go through your products so that way you hadn't wasted your money. So anyway, when I come back, my nail desk will be ready to do these 2 swatches. I have a feeling today's video is not going to be that long because there's not a lot of products to demo, but I definitely will come up with a demo, and I'm dying to do some art, so I think this might be the one that I'll use today and use this one next time, because I have this recreation that I really been dying to do. Anyhow, be right back.
You think that what we're fighting about is stupid. Just cause you don't agree don't mean it's stupid. Lately communication feels so useless. If we don't got that obsessive love, then what are we doing? I don't ask for much from you. It's like you don't got the time to lose. Made me feel like I'm a burden when I tell you how I'm hurting. No, you just say you're sorry to say you did. I ain't over it. So let me take my time and talk my shit till I'm over it. Ooh, if you don't want the heat, you should act right. I'll be talking about you in the past time. When you say you're sorry, it don't mean shit till I'm over it. Until I'm over it, yeah. I think my feelings have changed. I'm feeling some type of way. You might have just pushed me away. You fucked up forever, cause I just wanted some time with you. Something you never had the time to do. Made me feel like I'm a burden when I tell you how I'm hurting. No, you just say you're sorry to say you did. I ain't over it. So let me take my time and talk my shit till I'm over it. Talking about you in a past time. When you say you're sorry, it don't mean shit till I'm over it. Until I'm over it, yeah. Just say you're sorry to say you did. I ain't over it. So let me take my time and talk my shit till I'm over it. Ooh, if you don't want the heat, you should act like I'll be talking about you in a past time. When you say you're sorry,
okay, you guys, so here are the swatches. So cute, so feminine, so it almost, I just wanted to kind of put it side by side. Kind of reminds me of that one, but obviously you can see the difference. This one is more pigmented than the cover color she made. And I'm trying to remember if this was a cover color in the collection in 2023, but I can't remember because when it came out, I wasn't paying attention as I am now. And I couldn't remember if she came out with cover colors then within the collections. I don't know. It doesn't look like a cover color, but neither does this one. And it is a cover color. Ooh, this is Pinkaboo. Birthday / Valentine's. Anyhow, so I'm thinking, guys, I'm either going to do a look making this the primary glitter, or using this like I did with my nails and making this the main color and doing nail art all over it. I don't know. I wish I knew how to do polls in Instagram, and then you guys could, you know, pick, and then I could have come back with the video, but I'm not very savvy at those things. So anyway, I'm going to think off camera. When I come back, you guys are going to know exactly what's going to happen. All right, you guys, I am torn. I'm torn which hand to use, because this one, although is already guana, it's great for practicing. And that's technically what I'm doing anyway when I do my nail designs, but it's not, I'm going to just say it, it's not pleasing to the eye. It's not aesthetically pleasing. Like this one is, you know, like when you compare the two, this one looks more of a hand than this one does. And I got this one on sale, and I don't know. I thought about the Aliana hand, but I'm trying to display my last few Valentine's Day looks. I thought about my Glamour Liz. And when I just put these three, I mean, look at it. It looks like a dead person's hand. Ay vey. Decisions.
For a minute in the quiet, it feels like it was before. I get lost just for a moment, thinking I'm not where I am. And I didn't want to feel this way, tired of being out of place. Give me a one-way ticket out of here someplace. I know I can't be happy, it's not in my head. I can sit and cry about reasons why I'm in this mess, but what good is that? What a waste of breath. It's a fine line, thinking about the words unsaid and setting me free from my chest. I feel so low. Was there something in the wind? Was it meant to be pulled apart from everything I knew, like golden leaves when it's their time to fall? But I didn't want to feel this way, tired of being out of place. Give me a one-way ticket out of here someplace I know I can't be happy. It's not in my head. I could sit and cry about reasons why I'm in this mess, but what good is that? What a waste of breath. It's a fine line thinking about the words unsaid and setting me free from my chest. I feel so low, I'm not myself. I feel so low, I'm not myself. I can sit and cry about reasons why I'm in this mess, but what good is that? What a waste of breath. It's a fine line thinking about the words unsaid and setting me free from my chest. I feel so low, I'm not myself. I feel so low, I'm not myself. Easy come and easy go. You're an unfading star, a gentle love, the kind that lifts you up, no matter how far apart. I guess you could call it chance, but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like I've always dreamed, true harmony, unmistakable, unmistakable. Through each night we'll keep burning bright. I'm so lucky to be loved by you. And come the storms, whether short or long, well, I'll still be right where you are. I guess you could call it chance, but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like I've always dreamed, true harmony, unmistakable, unmistakable. Unmistakable. For a minute in the quiet, it feels like it was before. I get lost just for a moment, thinking I'm not where I am. And I didn't wanna feel this way, tired of being out of place. Give me a one-way ticket out of here someplace I know I can't be happy. It's not in my head. I can sit and cry about reasons why I'm in this mess, but what good is that? What a waste of breath. It's a fine line thinking about the words unsaid and setting me free from my chest. I feel so low, I'm not myself. I feel so low, I'm not myself. Was it something in the wind? Was it meant to be pulled apart from everything I knew, like golden leaves when it's their time to fall? But I didn't wanna feel this way, tired of being out of place. Give me a one-way ticket out of here someplace I know I can't be happy. It's not in my head. I could sit and cry about reasons why I'm in this mess, but what good is that? What a waste of breath. It's a fine line thinking about the words unsaid and setting me free from my chest. I feel so low, I'm not myself. I feel so low, I'm not myself. I can sit and cry about reasons why I'm in this mess, but what good is that? What a waste of breath. It's a fine line thinking about the words unsaid and setting me free from my chest. I feel so low, I'm not myself. I feel so low, I'm not myself.